back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing some custom press-on nails. So I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to make your own press-on nails. I took off my acrylic nails because for some reason, it's easier for me to do like nail art on press-on nails rather than doing them on myself when I have acrylics. So I just took off my acrylics and then just made me some custom press-on nails. So I got these nail tips, these full covered nail tips from Amazon. I will post the link in the description bar. So I'm just basically picking out the sizes that work for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and buff off the shiny layer of the full covered nail tips. Just buff off that shiny layer. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you? Oh yeah, baby. Who would have thought I'd get you? Okay, so now I'm going to take my Tammy Taylor Peel and Stick nail file and just go ahead and file the tip of the nails because there's like a little piece that is on every nail that you need to file off. So just go ahead and file those nails. And then I'm just going to clean off the nails using some alcohol and water. So then you want to go in with a base coat and apply that to each nail and cure it for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go in with this Beetle gel polish. I did purchase this from Amazon. I pretty much got all my nail supplies, not everything, but most of all my nail supplies from Amazon. So I will be sure to post it in the description bar. So make sure you check that out. So I'm just going to go in with this color, and I think I did 2 to 3 coats. Actually, I did 2 coats. You can do 3 coats if you would like, whatever works for you. And then you're going to cure that for 60 seconds as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go on with some D&D gel polish, and I'm just going to do some Frenchy nail art. So So I just go in with the color like halfway up the nail, actually like 3/4 up the nail, and then I just go in and clean it up with some acetone. Okay, y'all, so this nail art design is super easy. So you just basically take the end of your brush and you just basically apply just random dots, little dots, big dots, to make that design of like a cow, that cow print. Yeah, super easy. So make sure you cure the nail art for 60 seconds before you move on to the next design. And these little bears are so cute. I got them from Shein. And I'm just going to go in with some rhinestone gel and then just apply it to the nail. Put the little bear on it and then cure it for 60 seconds. And then you're just gonna do one final coat of top coat and just do one coat. You can actually do 2 coats just so the nail art does not get messed up. But I just put 1 coat because I don't got time for all that. Okay, so moving on to the next design, I'm gonna go in with this D&D red polish, and I actually use like 4 coats of this because as you can see, it's like very clear for some reason. So I went in with 4 coats of these just to make that color very pigmented. So this set, I was in the Christmas mood and I wanted to make me like a Christmas set. So I did purchase these little crystal flakes, these little snowflakes from my local nail supply store. And I'm just going to apply those to this one nail right here. Hey, look at these nails, y'all. They're so bomb. Oh my God. If you like these nails, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe if you not have already and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.